You don't have a real smart home until you've made every appliance in your house connected. We've seen smart fridges and smart stoves, and now we've got a smart humidifier. This $60 humidifier from Oittm includes programmable schedules, 3 fog levels, and even Amazon Echo and Google Home integration. Yes, you can control your humidifier with your voice. This device isn't too small, but it is a reasonable size compared to other humidifiers, especially given the fact that it can hold 3 liters. The setup is actually pretty simple despite all of the parts and pieces it comes with. You basically just put the floater in the filter, put the top on, and that's pretty much it. Once you plug it in and press the connect button, we can add it to the Oittm app. It's a really fast and straightforward process. You just enter in your Wi-Fi password and wait a few seconds for it to connect. From the app, we can do pretty much all the same things that you can do with the device itself, which includes turning it on and off, setting the fog levels, and changing the LED lights. However, from the app, we can also create a schedule. By connecting it to the app, we also get the ability to add it to Amazon Echo and Google Home. You can't do too many things with the voice assistant, but you can turn it on and off. This also works with IFTTT using Smart Life service, which is what it also uses for the voice assistant integration. Once we turn the humidifier on, we can select the power level with the capacitive keys on the device. The light around the buttons will indicate the level, with purple being low, green being medium, and blue being high. It will also turn red when you're low on water. Speaking of lighting, the LED button is a little confusing. When you press it, it will turn the light on the front blue, and the LED lights at the top will continue to cycle between colors. Unfortunately, I have not been able to get the LED lights to turn off, and for using it in the bedroom at night, they could be a little bit bright. I'd also like to note that even when the device is powered off, the light on the front of the device always stays blue, which can also be a little bit annoying. As for performance, the device does a pretty good job. The different fog levels won't change the amount of fog that it produces, but the speed at which it comes out. A higher speed will just result in the humidifier working quicker. At any speed, however, there is a pretty large amount of vapor coming out of the device. Even without any essential oils in it, which this device can handle, the vapor smells fresh just like it rained outside. It's also a little cool and could help in making your room a little colder. My only issue with this is that I did notice on multiple occasions that it stopped spraying vapor. After about an hour on medium, it just stops misting. I can hear the fans and the device seems to be working fine, but there's nothing coming out. I still had plenty of water and everything seemed fine, so it was a little weird that the vapor just stopped coming out. Maybe it just does a cycle or something, but I'm not sure. The humidifier can also run for a long time without needing a refill. I ran it all night on medium speed and the water level only dropped a few inches. However, when it does get low, you will get a notification on your phone. The light on the front will turn red and it will automatically turn off when it runs out of water. Other than the fog issue and the fact that you can't turn the lights off, this is a pretty neat device to add to your smart home. It works really well, and I like the fact that not only can you control it with your voice, but you can also set a schedule for it to turn on and off, and you can also do so from anywhere in the world. I really do recommend this, and if you're interested in picking it up, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Untitled Chapter, and I'll see you in the next one.